Hello, and welcome to the Infinity Sensation DualFlex tablet controller tutorial. Today I am going to walk you through the ins and outs of the tablet to better understand how to use it to get the most out of your massage chair. This video is going to be split into 5 different parts: tablet controller layout and functions, running an auto program, customizing an AI massage, manual massage program, and pairing Bluetooth devices. Use the chapter markers in the description to quickly navigate to the desired video sections as needed. Let's begin by turning on the tablet controller by tapping anywhere on the display screen. This will boot up the tablet controller. Once fully booted, yellow warning screens will appear. Please read each thoroughly, and when finished, tap the red "Tap here to confirm" button to continue. The next screen to appear is the home screen, featuring main menu buttons for auto, manual, air settings, MyMemory, sounds, and health scan. To the top left of the home screen is auto. When tapping auto, this brings up 20 auto programs that you can use with a tap of a button. The auto programs are displayed across 4 categories to help you find the best suited massage to your needs. To move between categories, cycle through by tapping the category tabs at the top of the screen. There is Full Body, which offers programs that provide a full body massage experience. Next is Focused Body, which offers a set of programs that are a more focused massage experience tailored to different regions of the body. Next is Recovery, a selection of massages designed to help the body recover from specific conditions or stresses. And finally, Renewal, a set of programs that aims to rejuvenate and refresh the body. We recommend trying each program out and seeing what feels best for you. To return to the home screen from any menu, tap the home icon in the quick access navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. To the right of auto is manual. Once selected, this will bring you to another display where the full manual mode settings are located. Each of these settings allows you to customize your massage to your liking. We will return to this screen later in step 4 of this video. Below auto is air settings. In air settings, you can personalize your compression massage by turning on the airbag compression region you desire. Choose your desired airbag regions: full body, shoulder and arm, waist and seat, or leg and foot. Selecting full body will override any selections, and all airbags will become active. Once you have chosen an air zone, you can adjust the air intensity from 1 being light to 5 being firm. If you decide you want the airbags off, simply re-tap the selected air regions or re-tap the selected air intensity. Next is MyMemory. In MyMemory, you can access a custom massage program created and saved using the AI generator or an auto program. You can store up to 8 different MyMemory programs and access them whenever you want. To run a saved program, use the right or left arrows to move between the screens, and simply tap the desired program slot to recall your massage. To save a program, tap the star icon on the in-use screen during your massage. Once all 8 slots are used, the memory is full, and you must remove 1 or more programs to make space for new ones. To remove a program, select the program you would like to remove, then tap and hold the memory slot until the program disappears. Next is Sounds. Tap Sounds to enter the sound display screen and control the Soothe Me therapy feature. Here you will see 10 preset nature sounds: white noise, airplane, ocean surf, crickets, nature, rain, car ride, fireplace, windy night, and thunderstorm. Once you select your desired sound effect, you can choose the level of volume above using the minus and plus buttons, 1 through 10, 1 being the quietest and 10 being the loudest. To turn off nature sounds, simply select Sound Off or deselect the nature sound. Note that Bluetooth must be turned on in your system settings for sounds to work. The next button on the home screen is Health Scan. In Health Scan, the chair uses sensors to create a personalized massage experience. Tap the Start Scanning button, then place your finger on the health sensor located on the left side of the armrest. The chair will now measure your blood oxygen, heart rate, microcirculation, and fatigue value. Based on these results, the chair suggests 2 optimal massage programs. You then have the option to run one of the suggested programs, or you can tap to repeat the scan. Let's also go over the remaining buttons in the quick access navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. On the bottom left of the screen are the power and pause buttons. Tap the power button to turn off the tablet. To pause a massage, simply tap the pause button. Then tap play to resume. Next is the home button, which quickly returns you to the home screen. The star icon will take you to the My Memory screen. Next in the quick access navigation is AI. Tap this button to create a personalized program effortlessly using AI. We will go over customizing an AI massage in step 3 of this video. Next is the Adjustments button. Tap this to be taken to the adjustment screen to change chair settings, including incline and recline. The backrest, footrest, and foot extension adjustments will assist you to fine-tune the length and fit of specific parts of your chair. Tap and hold the screen buttons to adjust any of these settings. When holding down the backrest adjustment buttons, this will allow you to recline or bring the chair to an upright position. You can adjust the footrest just the same. This allows the chair's footrest to raise or lower. Next is the foot in and foot out adjustment buttons. When holding down the foot adjustment buttons, this allows you to extend or retract the footrest. The adjustment screen also features pre-programmed recline positions. Zero Gravity 1 will put the chair into a standard recline, and Zero Gravity 2 will recline the chair into complete weightless zero gravity recline. You can also choose Incline to smoothly raise the backrest to your preferred angle, or Leisure to gently recline the backrest. Next in the quick access bar is Sleep Mode, represented by a Z icon. Toggle your desired sleep mode setting on or off. When sleep mode is on, the chair will stop in the reclined position after auto programs. When sleep mode is off, the chair will return to a fully upright position after each auto program. Next is the light bulb icon to control the exterior chromotherapy lights. Chromotherapy uses the color spectrum to help balance energy. Tap the screen to select one of 12 colors like purple, red, gold, or deep blue. Turn the lights on by tapping any of the colors, or turn them off using the Light Off button. You can also adjust the light intensity from 25% to 100% by pressing the Light Intensity button repeatedly. Next is the In Use button, represented by a switches icon. This button will take you to the In Use screen, which we'll be going over shortly. The final button in the quick access navigation bar is System Settings, represented by a gear icon. Here you will see several different options, including brightness, language, voice demo, Bluetooth, beep, voice command, command list, and timeout. Let's walk through each option. Brightness lets you adjust the screen's brightness from 1 being dimmest to 4 being brightest. Tap the plus or minus buttons to adjust this setting. Language lets you choose between English or Chinese. Voice demo plays a narrated audio track describing the chair's actions while the demo program is running. Turn this on to hear the narration, and off to run the demo without it. Bluetooth activates pairing to connect your device so you can play music. Tap to turn Bluetooth on or off. Note that Bluetooth must be on for pairing to work. Beep controls the sound feedback from the chair's buttons. Turn this on to emit a soft beep to confirm selections, and off to keep button presses silent for a more serene experience. Voice command toggles your chair's intelligent voice command and control listening. Tap on to activate the intelligent voice command and control feature of this chair. Tap off to disable intelligent command and control. Command list allows you to view the voice commands list so that you can operate the intelligent voice command and control simply by using your voice. And finally, timeout controls when the display goes dark. When on, the display will go dark after a few minutes to create a peaceful environment. To relight the screen, simply tap it anywhere. To have the screen always on, turn this setting off. Now let's run, personalize, and take control of some features within an auto program. Return to the home screen and select Auto. For this program running example, we are going to pick Comprehensive under the Full Body tab. Once selected, the chair will initiate TrueFit Body Scanning. The chair will automatically begin scanning your body, mapping your back, shoulders, and neck. During this process, it is important to remain seated back into the chair without lifting your head. When TrueFit Body Scanning is done, use the mechanism's up and down arrows to adjust the mechanism to your preferred shoulder height. Then press OK. After adjusting your shoulder height, you'll be brought to the In Use screen, and your massage program will start. Use this screen to further customize your massage. You can find the name of the massage program that is currently running directly above the massage time. Next to the program name is the microphone icon for intelligent voice command. Tap this button to view the complete list of voice commands, which is the same commands list found in the System Settings screen. If you want to save your current auto program into memory, simply tap the top right icon, which looks like a finger pointing to a star, to quickly save your program for easy access later. In the upper right corner, you'll find the time remaining in your massage. Use the plus and minus buttons on either side of the time to add or subtract the amount of time in your massage in 5-minute increments. 30 minutes is the maximum setting. The figure in the center of the screen shows a visual representation of the massage program that is currently running. The moving green dots indicate the current position of the massage mechanisms along the massage track, and the blue highlights on the figure's body show which airbags are actively compressing. When the foot or calf rollers are engaged, icons will appear around the figure's legs, and red waves will appear when the heat zones are active. To the left of the figure, you will see the 4D intensity setting. Use this control to increase or decrease the maximum intensity of the 4D back mechanism. All auto massages are pre-programmed to have varying 4D intensity. This setting will set the upper limit of these fluctuations. Tap the top of the meter to increase or the bottom to decrease. To the right of the figure is the air intensity. Use this control to increase or decrease the maximum intensity of the airbag massage. All auto massages are pre-programmed to have varying levels of airbag intensity. This setting will set the upper limit of these fluctuations. Tap the top of the meter to increase or the bottom to decrease. On the far left side, next to the 4D intensity, you'll find 2 heat buttons. Tap these to directly turn on or off the lumbar heat and calf heat. On the far right side, next to the air intensity, you'll find 2 roller buttons. Tap these to directly turn on or off the calf rollers and foot rollers. Now, let's customize an AI massage. Using the Quick Access navigation bar, tap AI. The Sensation DualFlex features dual mechanisms, meaning you can customize a session that replicates the touch of 2 professional massage therapists. Under the back massage heading, you can assign massage techniques to 4 targeted zones. There are 2 upper zones dedicated to the top 4D mechanism and 2 lower zones for the bottom mechanism. An empty unassigned zone will be grayed out with a gray plus sign. A selected zone that you are currently adjusting will have a massage mech icon with a number indicating which mech you are assigning, 1 for top and 2 for bottom. Once you assign a mode to it, an icon with the assigned massage technique appears in that zone. Select your desired massage mode for the zone, choosing from Knead, Knock, Tap, Knead and Tap, or Shiatsu. Let's choose Knock. Next, choose your desired 4D intensity from 1 to 5 and the speed of the back mechanism from 1 to 5. Now, let's assign a mode to the lower mechanism. Let's choose Shiatsu. Note, the lower mechanism does not have a 4D setting. Below that, in the middle heat controls, let's tap the buttons to turn on the leg and waist heat to really loosen those muscles. Next, tap the air pressure heading to select airbag compression therapy settings. Choose from full body, shoulder and arm, waist and seat, or leg and foot. Select the desired region by tapping the air strength setting from 1 to 5 for that specific region. To turn a particular region off, simply tap the region name. Let's choose shoulder and arm with intensity of 2 and leg and foot with intensity of 4. Below this, you can adjust your foot roller and calf roller speeds, selecting 0 for off, 1 for slow, or 2 for fast. Finally, press the OK button to start your massage session. If you like your customized massage program, you can save it to your MyMemory by tapping the top right MyMemory Save icon, and recall it later by navigating to the MyMemory screen and tapping the saved program slot. Now, let's explore the manual settings. Tap Manual on the home display to enter the manual display screen. Use this screen to fully customize your own massage and find the perfect treatment for you. Note that your first selection on this screen will start your massage. A unique feature on the Sensation DualFlex is the upper-lower mech control. This will allow you to control either the upper or lower mech. Simply tap upper or lower to control each mech and its settings. Note, the lower mech does not have 4D settings. Let's begin building your program. Starting with the upper mech, choose your massage technique: Knead, Knock, Tap, Knead and Tap, or Shiatsu. Try each one of them and see which one you enjoy the most. For this example, we are going to choose Tap. Next, choose your focus zone to control the range of motion of the back mechanism. Hold travels the entire length of the track. Partial travels a short distance and reverses direction for focused relief. And Point stops on the track for targeted relief. Let's choose Partial. Tap the up-down arrows to adjust your focus zone, or tap and hold to move the mechanism continuously. Now let's adjust the 4D intensity level. Choose from 1 to 5. Let's select 3. Next, adjust the speed from 1 to 5. Let's choose 2. To change the width of the rollers, you have 3 different options to choose from: narrow, medium, and wide. Let's select medium width. Note, the width cannot be adjusted when in need or need and tap modes. Now, let's switch to the lower mechanism by tapping lower. Let's choose the shiatsu technique. Next, choose your focus zone. Let's select whole. Set the speed to 2 and the massage width to medium. Below the mechanism controls, let's set the foot rollers to 1 and the calf rollers to 2. If you would like to turn off the back massage at any time, you can tap the back massage off button, which will stop both massage mechanisms. Finally, on to the air settings. Tap the air settings button, then select waist and seat and leg and foot. Now, let's choose an air intensity level of 3. Unlike AI massage, this will set the intensity for all selected regions. Now that we have learned the ins and outs of the manual controls, let's pair your phone to the chair so you can play and enjoy your favorite music through the chair's Bluetooth speakers. Navigate to the System menu by tapping the gear icon. Tap the Bluetooth setting to toggle it to on. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on the Sensation 4D DualFlex tablet controller. Now, make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your Bluetooth device. If Bluetooth is already on, your device will automatically detect the Bluetooth-enabled massage chair around you. Select Sensation DualFlex in the Available Devices section of your Bluetooth settings and ensure that the connection went through. Now you should be connected to the chair speakers and you are ready to enjoy your favorite music. Now that you understand the settings, layout, and functions of the tablet controller, you can now fully enjoy your Infinity Sensation 4D DualFlex massage chair and truly maximize your massages. Enjoy your chair, and thank you for being a part of the Infinity family.